You will be amazed by this 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, premium sound system, power liftgate, backup camera, remote engine start. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.